Hi everyone! Today I gotta tell you fun stuff, like when we went to the park to roller skate. We put on our cool helmets and our roll-Y shoes. When we got there, guess who was roller skating too? The blue babies. Blue like the big blue sky. Some of us wobbled a bit at first. Roller skating felt a little wobbly. But our friends helped us hold hands. They showed us how to roll our feet. Soon, we were gliding all over. The blue babies were super speedy roller skaters. We chased each other and laughed. We rang our little bells and zoomed around. Roller skating with my baby friends, especially the blue ones, was so much fun. We all learned together and had the best rolling adventure. Wowie! And how can I forget the day that we went to the waterfall? All us babies and our furry pals went in the bumpy car, singing baby songs all the way. We'd never, ever seen a waterfall before. It was so huge. The water went whoosh and splash and made a super loud roaring sound. My doggy barked excitedly at the noisy, splashing water. My kitty's big, round eyes went even wider with surprise. Then we wiggled our little toes into the cool, clear water. It felt so tingly and splashy on our skin. We giggled and splashed each other and played peekaboo behind the wet rocks. My doggy loved chasing all the little water drops as they bounced around. My kitty watched us carefully from a warm, sunny rock, sometimes reaching out a paw to touch the water. Swimming and playing and having a super bubbly time at the amazing waterfall with all my baby friends and my very best furry pets was the absolute best water adventure ever. Yay! And of course, I have to tell you about the day that we went to the ball pit. It was my very first time ever seeing so many balls all together. They were every color you could imagine, bright red, sunshine yellow, deep blue like the sky, and grassy green. Wowie, my eyes went all big and round. We didn't even wait. We all jumped right in with a big plop. It felt so funny and squishy to sink right down into all those bouncy balls. We wiggled our little bodies and rolled around and even threw the colorful balls at each other. Boing! Boing! It was like swimming, but instead of water, it was a sea of fun, bouncy colors. We laughed and laughed until our tummies wiggled as we disappeared under big piles of red and yellow balls. It was the best, most bouncy, and color-filled adventure ever at the amazing ball pit.